everyone, I'm Gina Doyle and I'm the product designer for Runner and Pipeline Insights. Today I'll be walking you through our new CI job queues vision for the runner fleet category. We've heard a lot of requests from customers around this, so we're really excited to share it. Before I get into it, I want to note that this is a vision, so it's not set. It will evolve as we get feedback on it, and we don't have a timeline associated with it just yet. So let's start with what we've heard from customers. So if you could imagine yourself as a software engineer and you're running pipelines, there is little information today that is available to see how soon a CI job may start. You may be left asking why your job is pending for so long. As a platform engineer, using the admin runner's view or the group runner's view, you're then responsible for investigating why the jobs aren't running. There's nothing to help you determine if the runner is busy today, which would mean determining the number of running jobs a runner has, the number of pending jobs in its queue, as well as an estimated time of when they will be picked up. So without this information, it's difficult to help your team get back to their daily work. We have taken a stab at solving this problem in the admin runners area through these visionary designs. So we'll be focusing on solving it for Priyanka first. Like I said, these will continue to evolve, so they're not set in stone, but I will hop over into Figma so I can show you the prototype. Okay, so just as you see the admin runners area today, you'll come to a runner list view. You'll see a new job queues tab up top that gives you insight into which runners or runner tags have pending jobs, what their average queue duration is now and trends over time, and how to optimize your infrastructure to save costs and time. So let's check it out. Once you get to the page, you'll see a list of runners with queued jobs. You'll get a status of the latest job that they're running, and then the ability to filter by that runner or view the runner details. You'll also see the average queue duration for all of your instance runners, because right now we're only viewing instance runners, and some queue duration trends over the last 3 months. Finally, we'll provide you with some recommendations of how to optimize your infrastructure, for example, by looking into the runners with the highest queue durations in this instance. So if I do filter by a runner, filtering by a runner will give you only that runner's queued jobs. So that's what this list is. You'll get the position number for each of those jobs and the queued duration or the time it will take for that job to be picked up. You'd also be able to remove a job from the queue and, for example, assign it to another runner or just completely trash it. Again, we'll provide you with recommendations based on your trends over time and your average queue duration. So for example, in this one, we noted your average queue duration for this runner is increasing. So you probably would want to create another runner with the same architecture to be able to service the jobs quicker. You'll also be able to interact with the graph as well and see how trends, the queue trends over time. And there's different colors representing how the duration compares to the threshold. So for example, the dotted line is the threshold, which is actually the average. And then as your queue duration goes up, you'll see that it becomes red and just indicating that it's over that threshold. So if there is a time that you're looking at runner tags instead of specific runners, you'll also be able to filter by those. So if I were to clear this filter, I would be able to get some recommendations on which runners to filter by because we know how many runners have this many pending jobs. But if I know the tags that I want to filter by, I can just input those in. So the filter would work just as it does in the admin area today. Filter, for this time's sake, I did it quickly. And now you'll see all the queued jobs for my runners that have the tags that are noted here. with that same information that I was given before, but it's specific to this set of runners, like the average queue duration trends, etc. So that's it for the prototype. And I'm going to jump back over to this. I will be linking the vision issue in this video. And as we continue to iterate this, we would really appreciate your feedback. So we'd love for you to add some comments into the issue if you have any feedback, which once again, I will be linking. And that's about it. Thank you.